In this video, we'll explain how to use our WhatsApp chatbot to top up your account. Add this phone number to your contact list. Start the conversation with the bot by sending any text message. A prompt from the bot will appear. Follow its further instructions. First, you must identify yourself. Use either your customer ID or your account code. In this example, we'll use a customer ID received by email from VoiceSpin. The next step is providing your email or phone number. Once you've been identified, payment options will appear. Keep in mind, you will see options available specifically for your account. Let's see how credit card payment options work. Type the amount of your payment. Carefully read the message in the prompt. To move on, you have to confirm it. The bot will answer you with the summary of the payment you're going to make and the payment link. The link is direct, so you can click on it or paste it into your browser. The payment page is common to other similar ones. Fill in the details and click on the Pay Now button. If the payment was successful, you'll get a confirmation message. To check your balance, move on to the billing portal or reach out to our billing team. You can make a new operation by clicking the respective button. Let's see how the USDT payment method works. Click on New Request, and remember to make a new request each time you want to complete a USDT transaction. The system will provide you with the specific wallet available for payment at the moment. Do not try to use the wallet address you got on your previous payment. Read the info message carefully. You'll get 3 wallets for making payments for one day. They will expire 24 hours after the request. Click on the Options button and choose your platform from the list. Only platforms in the list are accepted for payment. Payments from any other source are prohibited. You will receive the wallet address, copy it, and make the payment from your side. Once you complete the payment, click on Open Requests. Payment requests will appear with the destination wallet address and expiration timestamp. You have to confirm payment before the deadline. Click on the button with Wallet and Timestamp. Put the amount of payment as an answer to the question. Next, provide the transaction hash. Lastly, upload a copy of the payment confirmation document. PDF or images are accepted. Attach the file as you would do it in a regular WhatsApp chat. Read the declaration carefully and click I consent. You'll receive a confirmation message. To make a wire transfer, click on a New Operation button, then Top Up and choose Bank Wire. Put the amount of payment as the answer. Attach the confirmation file using the WhatsApp interface. Read the declaration and proceed by clicking I consent. You'll get a confirmation message. Wire transfers are usually processed by banks within 3 to 5 business days. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team.